guys, I'm not running a half marathon, but some of our youth leaders are going to be running a half marathon in about a month or so. And they're going to be raising money for the youth work that we do here at Excel Church for 180, our young people. And you know, we're so privileged to be in a position to reach so many young people's lives here in this building. So we want you to be a part of this by sponsoring our youth leaders who are going to be running to raise £1,000 towards the activities that we do. So if you want to support them, you want to cheer them on, then why not donate and sponsor them by searching 180 Runners over at justgiving.com. Make your donation there and let's support our youth leaders as they run that half marathon. Ladies, this one is for you. Devoted Conference is coming up in October and we cannot wait. But that means you need to get your ticket and you need to get your ticket soon. So head to our website and make sure that you get yours ASAP. Guys, we've got an amazing opportunity happening here at Excel Church. You might guess what it is. It is Destiny School of Dance for our young people. So if you're age 7 to 16, this is for you. We've got someone at church that's going to be doing free dance classes here at Excel Church for anyone who wants to learn some hip hop, but that's going to be faith-based. Now, these classes are going to be happening from 5:30 till 6:30. starting from the 4th of October. So if you're that is fit into the age bracket and you want to come along for that, then sign up via our website, Church Suite, anywhere you can find the link, sign up. It's going to be a great one. You might see these guys there as well, but we'll see. So this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday at 7:30. So make sure you join us here at church for that. We'd love to see you there to dig into the Word of God together. And that's all for Excel News. So have a great week, guys.